Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign a business associate agreement with Google Workspace for HIPAA compliance. This is an essential step if you're handling protected health information through Google's services, as it ensures you're meeting federal requirements for data security and privacy. First, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. This is important because only administrators have access to the legal and compliance settings we'll need to modify. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, click on Account in the navigation menu. This section houses all your organizational settings and account-level configurations. Under the Account option, you'll see several choices, but we're looking for Accounts and Settings. Click on it to proceed. Now, within the Accounts and Settings section, scroll down until you locate Legal and Compliance. This is where Google keeps all the important agreements and regulatory documents for your workspace. Click on it to open that section. Keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page and you'll notice blue highlighted text that reads Google Workspace Cloud Identity HIPAA Business Associate Amendment. This is the actual BA document you need to review and accept. Click on it and it will open in a new tab displaying the full agreement. Take your time to read through the terms carefully, as this document outlines Google's responsibilities as a business associate under HIPAA regulations. Once you've reviewed the agreement, go back to your previous Google Admin tab. You'll see a pen icon under the HIPAA section. Click on it, then select Review and Accept. This initiates the formal acceptance process. At this point, you'll be prompted with a question specifically about HIPAA compliance with Google Workspace. After reading it, click OK to continue. Another menu will appear with the full terms and agreement displayed one more time. Read through everything to ensure you understand your obligations, then click I accept to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully signed the business associate agreement with Google Workspace, ensuring your organization is HIPAA compliant when using Google's services. Thanks for watching.